How to fix PDF text font blurry problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PDF, which is blurry. As you can see, this text is kind of blurry. So I'll simply click on Home option and I'll find all these options. Click on Preferences, which is above Accessibility, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure resolution is in Use System Settings and Smooth Text is in for laptop. Then make sure all these other options have tick mark on it, like Smooth Line Art, Smooth Images, Enhance Thin Line, Use Page Cache, and simply click on OK and you're good to go. As you can see, the text is not blurry anymore. And that's how you fix PDF text font blurry problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Sophia signing off until next time.